Oh. They ain't ready. I'm tired of telling these other rappers that it's never gonna be. You niggas got pride like Penelope. And I'm the what you telling me. I'm better before. What you see is what you saw. Understand and cut a movie like Saw. People always talking about this not raw. The difference is, boy, I'm too quick to draw. I'm like Quick McGraw. Them niggas ain't ready for this energy I bring to this rap NLV. Now understand, boy, don't say a word. Understand, boy, MBS fly like a bird, and I'm ready for the word I give. Everybody wanna talk about my talents a gift. Every time I open up my mouth and links gets lift. Understand, boy, my business like I'm open a quiz. Y'all niggas like a witch or a whiz. But I'm back to doing rappers like I'm back to my biz. They all understand, boy, I do this shit from the start. Heart money, man, I'm open my heart. A lot of people never gonna tell me what I'm doing. What my niggas plan to ruin. I ain't never been afraid. I don't really curse. Man, one did it enter back up in the church. A lot of rap niggas only in it get murk. I asked the Simpsons, I was ready from birth. And you better ask Ernie. Well, yo niggas never learn me. Every time I get a new line in my rhyme, you gotta earn me. Y'all rappers try to burn me. Man, you just relaxing something like perm, a lot of germs. Y'all niggas suckin' like Usher, you getting burned. Y'all be on the side just waiting on your turn, but it's a wrong turn. It's something like that movie, sloppy in your face with a 40 or a Uzi. Understand I do this up my mind, understand what I do. Everybody knows rap on my crew, I'm just doing that. I ain't planning to dance stop. Everybody wanna be hot, they never drop. And everybody mad at me because my song rock. And understand hard money, hard to represent the block. Yo niggas understand that you're not, because you wipe it out your nose cause you look like a snot. And I'm a freestyle veteran, I bet you never win. You just addicted like that weed or the heroin. Let's get up back up on this rap. Y'all niggas there like Chris Tucker, get the napkin. Y'all understand questions, who you asking? I'm something that's like juice, who's blasting? And everybody wanna talk about gymnastic. Money so long, it be looking like giraffe neck. Check a G-Sharp, my flow is like a classic. And understand, boy, the puff and past it. I do it for the massacre. I be John Cena, you can't see me is when I wrestle ya. Understand, boy, the rap game, man, I'm a hassle ya. I'm just blowing like Lasco. Don't cross the city when it's something like Castro. If this is my water, understand, you never murking my daughter. You'll understand, boy, I do it from the best. And when it comes to my flow professionally, I'm the best. I'm better than the rest. And everybody mad because they like the way that I dress. I ain't trying to dress to impress. Gotta give my life to the Lord. That's why I gotta put it in the song to record. Everybody bow down to this rap. And everybody mad because they know they can craft it. And I'm the captain of rapping, cause when I spit I make it happen. And all of you rappers, you're dead, niggas need a napkin. I'm better than before. They want that old money, they want that cold money. This that new money, 2014 money. Understand, boy, got the nigga on the scene money. I'm out. 242, all this rapper, all the money. Get ready. Haha.